2026 Fiat Nuova. Full review. The 2026 Fiat Nuova represents a bold shift for Fiat as it redefines its compact urban car segment with a modern design, improved performance, and an all-electric option. Moving away from retro styling cues, the Nuova enters the market as a contemporary, city-focused vehicle with advanced features, clean lines, and a tech-forward interior. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2026 Fiat Nuova is a significant departure from the previous generation. The body adopts a sleeker, more futuristic silhouette with smooth curves and a refined surface treatment. At the front, the illuminated Fiat logo takes center stage above a narrow grille, accompanied by LED matrix headlights with a distinctive circular light signature. Flush door handles and minimal panel gaps enhance aerodynamics and contribute to a cleaner overall look. The rear end features rounded LED taillights that echo the design of the headlights, giving the car a cohesive identity. The Nuova rides on 17-inch alloy wheels with a multi-spoke design, adding to its dynamic stance. Powertrain and performance. The 2026 Fiat Nuova is offered with two distinct powertrain options, a fully electric version and a mild hybrid gasoline variant. The electric model is powered by a 42 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering an estimated range of 200 miles, 320 kilometers, on a full charge. The electric motor produces 120 horsepower and approximately 220 newton-meters of torque. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 8.5 seconds. It supports AC charging up to 11 kilowatts and DC fast charging up to 85 kilowatts, allowing 80% of the battery to be charged in under 30 minutes. The mild hybrid variant is equipped with a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt battery system. This version produces around 100 horsepower and focuses on maximizing fuel efficiency in urban environments. Power is delivered through a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. Interior design and comfort. Inside, the Fiat Nuova follows a minimalist design philosophy. The dashboard features clean lines, a floating 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a 7-inch digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and offers connected services including over-the-air updates and navigation with real-time traffic data. Materials inside the cabin include recycled fabrics, soft-touch plastics, and optional eco-leather for the seats. Ambient lighting adds a premium feel, and sound insulation has been improved over previous models to reduce road noise. Despite its compact footprint, the Nuova provides generous interior space for 4 adults. The front seats are supportive with good legroom, while the rear seats offer reasonable comfort for city commutes. The car features a flat floor design in the electric variant, increasing passenger comfort and interior flexibility. Cargo and practicality. The 2026 Fiat Nuova offers 9.5 cubic feet, around 270 liters, of cargo space in the trunk, suitable for groceries or 2 small suitcases. The rear seats fold in a 60-40 configuration to increase storage space when needed. Door bins and center console storage compartments provide additional practicality for everyday use. Technology and safety. The Nuova is equipped with a suite of driver assistance and safety features, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, forward collision, warning with automatic emergency, braking, blind spot, monitoring traffic, sign recognition, driver, attention, alert, rear cross traffic, alert 360-degree surround, view camera. On the electric model, Fiat has also introduced a one-pedal driving mode. This feature uses regenerative braking to slow the vehicle when the accelerator is released, improving efficiency and reducing brake wear in stop-and-go traffic. Driving experience. The electric Nuova delivers a quiet and smooth driving experience with responsive throttle input and a low center of gravity that contributes to confident handling. The mild hybrid version offers a more traditional driving feel, with improved fuel economy and enough power for daily use. Both versions are well-suited for urban driving, with tight turning radii and compact dimensions that make parking easy. Conclusion. The 2026 Fiat Nuova successfully blends compact efficiency with modern design and practical electric mobility. With an upgraded powertrain, improved range, enhanced safety technology, and a refined interior, the Nuova is positioned as a strong contender in the small city car segment. It appeals to eco-conscious urban drivers seeking a stylish, well-equipped, and easy-to-drive vehicle with low running costs.